Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Some refrigerators use a variable speed compressor, which is powered by an inverter control board. The inverter board converts the alternating current into direct current, allowing the motor to run at different speeds. This helps the refrigerator maintain a more consistent temperature. A faulty inverter board can prevent the compressor from working. You might notice that the refrigerator isn't cooling properly, but there's still power to the lights and the fans. The inverter board can't be easily tested. However, it is simple to replace. In this episode, I'll show you how. This applies to some bottom freezer and side-by-side refrigerators. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In some models, you might need to remove the water supply line to gain access to the back. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. Next, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the supply line. Let any remaining water drain into a plastic container. Now, slide the fridge all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the refrigerator is an access panel. Use a 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the screws. Now simply lift up to remove the panel. When accessing the compressor components, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. In your model, the compressor and components might be mounted in a different way. You may need to change the order of these steps depending on how much room there is. First, take a picture of the wires for reference. Now, disconnect the wire harness. The board will likely be mounted to the side of the compressor. Remove the mounting screws. Now lift up the board. Next, use a flat blade screwdriver to disconnect the wires to the compressor. Now lift up the board and pull it off to the side. In our case, there is now enough room to unscrew the grounding wire. Finally, remove the old inverter board. Take the new inverter board and slide it behind the compressor. Next, align the grounding wire and tighten the screw. Now reconnect the wires to the compressor. Slide the inverter board onto the bracket until it sits in place. Now tighten the mounting screws. Finally, reconnect the wire harness. Align the back panel onto the mounting tabs. Now tighten the screws. Reconnect the water supply and tighten the connection. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.